Ian Johnson with Truck Hero once again talking suspension with Mike Morris from Superlift Suspension. Now we've seen like what I would consider to be the full-blown kit on the 4-door JL, but this one on the 2-door, it's a little bit more entry level, right?
Right. So you have a long arm kit. That's not for everybody. So we have more of a DIY 2.5 and 4-inch kit, replacement springs, sway bar links, lower control arms, something you can install in your driveway if need be.
And that lower control arm is there for tire clearance as well as alignment correction, right?
That's correct. Drivability is important with these new JLs, so we wanted to make sure that the alignment specs come out just like OE.
But you can grow with this kit, right? So there's lots of different options inside that kit where you can actually, as you get more comfortable with the Jeep, there's things you can do to upgrade it as well.
Sure. We have 3 different shock packages available now. We have our new Shadow Series shock, we have a 2.0 Fox, and a 2.0 Keen.
So at the end of the day, even though this is just like you said, just a small lift, very simple, you install in your driveway, you can still wheel a rig like this fairly good with just this package.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a capable vehicle by nature, so we just expand upon that.
And everyone, obviously we get them up in the air to fit larger wheels and tires. What kind of tire package can fit on these two lifts?
So 35 to 37 on a basic non-Rubicon model. On a Rubicon model, 37s is the best tire to go with unless you go to an aftermarket fender, and guys are running 40s.
Yeah, and 40s are where it's at, really.
That's it.
So you said Shadow Shock. What's a Shadow Shock?
So Shadow is going to be our entry-level shock for the new JLs. It's a very modern appearance shock. It's got a nice graphite color. It's a slim body design, so it didn't have that classic swedge body look. So it's an entry-level shock for the guys who aren't willing to spend, a whole lot of cash on a shock.
But still a good working shock, good looking shock, just for someone who's just like, maybe this is their first lift kit, it's a good place to start.
Absolutely, and we actually had it tuned to match OE valving.
That's perfect. So there you go. So whether you want to go all out hardcore off-road or you're looking to just get your Jeep up in the air, you can see all the options at superlift.com.